Hello friends, today I will show you how to get hidden from zombies in Highway Zombies 2. Very simple trick. What you have to do is just drive along the side wall slowly, the way I am showing it right now. The zombies won't notice you. See, the one is here. There is one more here. But they won't pounce upon you. That is the trick. Here is one more and one more ahead. So you can see you can complete whatever miles you want with this trick and whatever challenges you have to complete. There are many challenges in the games where you have to drive 2.5 miles or more without getting busted. So you can use the trick and get the challenges completed. There are many videos on YouTube showing the tricks and hacks, but I don't think any of them work. I have tried a lot. So hope you like this and enjoy. Thank you for watching.